Since I've been a kid, we've seen it happen. I'm originally from Ballyfermot, so we've seen it happen in Ballyfermot, Clondalkin, kind of those areas, north side areas, of kids just having horses tied at places, not being fed, no water. So I've always seen that over the years, and always thought I'd love to do something about it. These people who have these horses, and they go, oh, it's the culture. It's like, it's not a culture. It's culture, yeah, maybe from years ago to have a horse, but that's when, in the 1900s, when there was horses in Dublin, and yeah, on a carriage and whatever, but when there was no cars. But not nowadays to be going around the streets of Dublin on a horse and keeping it in a housing estate or keeping it in flats with no grass, and it's just madness. One guy with Jerry, where his head collar was embedded in his head, and we tried so many times trying to get him out of fields in Clondalkin. Eventually got the Sioux, Jerry Creighton from the Sioux came down and had to dart him a few times, and we eventually got him. He survived. You're not meant to have a horse until it's chipped and it's passport. That's the way it's meant to be. That's the law.
People don't realise how bad the equine crisis in Ireland is. It's like there is horses starving to death every day in this country.
Our hay bill here for last year was 26 grand, like, wasn't it? Like, you know what I mean? Right, and that's all just chasing donations and stuff like that, like, you know what I mean?
We need to definitely try and tackle the breeding of horses that are worth very little money. Like, that's the main problem in Ireland. People think that they need to breed horses, and why are you actually doing it? Is it just something that you think you're meant to do? Like, that's the main thing. If the breeding kind of was controlled, there'd be definitely less horses out there to be rescued by us anyway.
We met Kathy Davey, who will be a very popular singer. Her partner is Neil Hannon. He wrote the song for Father Ted, My Lovely Horse. We just met up with Kathy while walking our dogs in a park in Dublin, and just got talking, and then we decided, Martina, Kathy and myself decided to set this up and get just something about the horses. And we were deciding, going, what we call it, and we came with a couple of names, and one of our volunteers said, what about My Lovely Horse? And we were like, that'll go nowhere. If you're anyway down, or you're feeling and having a crap day, you come out in the morning, you hear the donkeys, you come out to the ponies, you've got the goats running around, and it's lovely and it's brilliant, and I must say I do love it down here.